How to cancel Grab car booking. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how we can cancel your Grab car booking on the Grab app. So it is very easy. You just need to follow some steps. But before doing that, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So let's get started. So after opening the Grab app, you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So here on the very first options under search bar, you can see a bunch of options like transport, dine out, food, and all. So in order to grab a car, so in order to do a car booking on Grab, you need to tap on the very first option that says transport. You can see the icon with the car in it. Just tap on it, and here you may book your car. So here you need to add your locations, and then you get a bunch of options like advanced booking, group ride, premium, rate by the hour options. Just tap on one of the options and book your car. After booking your car, you may just and if you change your mind, so in order to cancel that, what you can do is just get back after booking your car, and here at the side of the home at the very bottom you can see activity. Just go to activity, and here under at the side of activities you will be able to see the option called express. Just switch to express and you will be able to see the booking that you've done of car, like schedule, driver on the way, etc. Just tap on the booking and you will see an option called cancellation of booking. Just tap on cancel booking and your booking will be canceled on this particular app. So therefore, in this way, you can cancel your car booking on Grab by following the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.